Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change X handle on app. So let's go to X, and you want to tap a profile picture in the top left corner of the screen to open this side menu. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and in your settings you want to select section your account, and now let's go to account information. So at the top, tap on your username. This is your handle, where you can see your current username and also the field where you can type in your new username. So do it right here, and when you're done you have to tap done button in the top right to save the changes and eventually to change your X handle. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.